Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. We recently renovated our kitchen and we really have the goal to not let it get cluttered looking. I really love this drying rack from MAJALiS because this enables me to be able to dry my dishes right in my sink without all of that clutter on the counter. In addition to securely staying over your sink, you also have the option of using the drain tray. And you can see that both of the pieces are that matte black. The tray itself actually has a drain plug that you can close or you can open. And underneath it has a funnel that will go directly into your sink, so you don't have to worry about that water building up. The dish rack itself is a nice matte black finish. It has room for utensils as well as for some glasses. And what I really like is that it's surprisingly really sturdy for being a kind of small dish strainer and rack, but it holds very, very securely in place and held a ton of dishes that I placed in it. So I really like also that the handles are fully adjustable. There's really nothing to screw in place. What I've been doing is I've been placing the dish pan underneath in my cabinet, and then I place this right over my sink so that dishes can dry. The countertops look beautiful and not cluttered at all, and I know that they're secure in this dish rack. And that's my point of view.